Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lady La and today I'm going to show you how to go from solid black hair to a bleach blonde hair. I've had this hair for about a year and I decided to bleach it just to switch things up and see how it looks. So if you like how this looks, please keep on watching. I have here my 40 volume developer along with my cream bleach, a mixing bowl, a brush, a comb, and I also have here a box dye in case we need it. Additional items are some gloves, some aluminum foil, and a hairbrush. You can see I have also secured my counter with some trash bags so we don't get anything on our countertops. So the first thing you want to do is, put your cream bleach in a bowl and then mix it with the 40 volume developer. I'm just eyeball measuring it. I'm not using any measuring cups. Guys, just use your best judgment here, almost like you're mixing pancake. Like that's how you want the consistency to be like. So here I have my wig on my mannequin head and I'm just brushing it to make sure there's no knots, just to give it a nice fluffy base. So I wanted two blonde strands in the front, so what I did first was section those two pieces in the front so I can begin to work on that. So next I just section the hair into two pigtails, then I start to apply the bleach. First I start on the tips, which is the parts that I want to be blonde. Just go through the hair to make sure the bleach has been applied to every strand. You don't want black pieces mixed in the hair if that's not the look you're going for. Once you begin to see the ends of the hair turning blonde or just change in color, you can begin to work on your brown section of the hair to give it that gradient ombre effect. So just make sure you're combing it through as you go to make sure that the bleach gets applied to every part of the hair that it's intended to bleach. As you can see, the ends are looking more lighter and then you see the midsection, which is more brown. And just make sure you also turn your brush vertically to stroke the hair so that it's not such a sharp transition from black to brown, from brown to blonde. So just make sure you do that as well so it's not such a harsh transition. I just left the bleach in for about 15 or 20 more minutes. Then I rinsed it out with one rinse of purple shampoo. Also make sure you use a neutralizing shampoo to get all the chemicals out. So this is what it looks like after rinsing it with purple shampoo. So this is what most hair looks like after it has been bleached. It has that copper brassy look to it. And I've seen people rock it like this. I really didn't want to because it looks so sharp against my skin. So I wanted it to be toned down. The thing with the purple shampoo, guys, that one, it is gradual. Although it does work, it is gradual. So it's not going to give you the toned down effect at the first try. So that's the thing with the purple shampoo. So if you want fast results or instant results, then I urge you to purchase a toner. And the toner that I'm going to be using is the Wella T18 toner. And with the toner, you're supposed to dump the whole thing in your mixing bowl and then use twice as much of the toner with it. It is recommended that you use 20 volume developer. I chose to use 40 because I didn't have any 20. And also the hair is supposed to be damp while you're using the toner. As you can see, my hair here is dry. So just keep that in mind and try to follow the instructions on the toner. So once the toner is mixed, it turns like a purple color. And right here, all you see me doing is going over the brassy parts of my hair with the toner. I'm just covering all the brassy parts. So after I cover all the brassy part with the toner, I just go in over and over it again to make sure that all the hair strand, to make sure that the toner is applied to all pieces of the hair strand that is brassy. And once I saw that it was distributed evenly on the brassy parts, I wrapped it in aluminum foil and I let it sit for exactly 30 minutes. I rinsed the hair again with purple shampoo and conditioned it since it has been through a lot. And guys, this was the result of it after I blow dried it. And I have to tell you, I was so nervous looking at this because I really did not notice a huge difference. But I am telling you, once the wig is on, you see a major difference. It is such a subtle difference that you almost think it didn't work, but once you style it, you realize what a big difference there is. Like the brassiness, most of the brassiness were gone and it was like more toned down. So here you see me straightening the hair just to give it a good base. For some reason, I believe blonde hair looks better when it is curled. So I'm just straightening it to give it a good base for my wand curls. Hey guys, so here what I'm doing is I noticed my roots were blonde with the 2 strands that I did. So I didn't have any black dye handy. So I'm just using some black eyeliner to darken those roots. That way it's not such a harsh transition. And I'm going to be using my Conair Infinity Pro Curling Wand. I've had this wand for over 5 years and it is still kicking. I love this wand, no complaints. It goes for about $20 at Target and it works wonders. Here's what it looks like after, and then I was good to go. And guys, notice how the brassiness has completely toned down. Like it has been removed by a lot. So don't get nervous when you're doing the hair, when you're toning the hair and you're not seeing results. Don't get nervous. It does work. So notice the curly hair I'm wearing in the video and the brassiness of it. It's a hair I previously bleached. Subtly just compare it to this one and you'll see how much the brassiness left. So guys, this is the finished look and I am loving it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure your notification bell is turned on. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Ciao!